Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today we're making delicious egusi soup. Yes, long time no voice over. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we're making delicious egusi soup. So guys, let's start cooking. So into my pot I added my meat. For my protein I'm using beef and cow skin. So after adding my protein into the pot, I added my chopped onions and habanero pepper. So for the seasoning that I just added, that's curry powder, seasoning cube and salt. So I'm going to cover that and let that cook. So we'll go ahead now and blend our onions, pepper and tomatoes. So our pepper is nicely blended, so I'm going to set it aside. So we'll go back and check if our meat is well cooked. So the meat is well cooked, so I'm going to set this aside. In another pot I'll go in with vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'll go in with chopped onions. I'm going to stir this for about 3 minutes. So after that I'm going to add in tomato paste. So I'll let this fry for some few minutes. So we're going to add in our seasoning, curry powder and salt. So I'll let this fry for some minutes. So after that I'm going to add in our blend pepper, onions and tomatoes. I'll just give this a good mix and allow it to cook until the water is dried. So while that is on the fire, I'm going to bring out my egusi. Then I'm going to mix this up. Guys, if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So I'll go ahead and add in my meat broth, that is my meat stock. Then I'm going to give this a good mix and set aside. So we'll go back now and check if our stew is well fried and dry. So at this point I'm going to add in my crayfish, then give this a good mix. So the next thing now is to add in our egusi. After adding the egusi, I'm going to cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So this was about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll go ahead now and stir all this together, okay? So the egusi is not well cooked yet. We are going to cover this and allow it to cook for some minutes. So after some minutes, voila, guys, this soup really tastes so good, so good. This is updated recipe, guys. This soup was so delicious. You're gonna love it if you give this a try. Okay, so we'll go ahead now and add in our protein. So I added some dry fish. Guys, you can use any protein of your choice, So after adding my protein, I'm going to mix this up. Okay, so I added a little water, then I'm going to stir, then allow it to cook for a few minutes. So the next thing is to add in my vegetable. I'm using pumpkin leaf. You can also use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, so after adding my vegetable, I'm going to stir properly, and voila, our delicious and mouth-watering egusi soup is ready. Guys, what will you be eating this with? Is it fufu, gari, pounded yam, wheat, banku? What are you eating this with? So I pair mine with pounded yam. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and also drop a comment. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Bye.